How to fix Instagram login problem in less than 1 minute. Hello guys, welcome back to this new short tutorial. I'm gonna show you how to fix this problem. First thing, open the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager. On the apps manager you will find all the apps that you have on your phone. So all what you want to do is go to the search bar here and search for Instagram like this. Click on the Instagram and then click on this option. It's called force stop, and then go to the notifications management and make sure that all the notifications are enabled, and then make sure that the badges option is turned on like this. After that, go back, click on the storage here, click on this clear data and then click on delete, go back and click on the clear cache and go back again. Now one last thing you want to do is turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial until the end.